So here we are again on this 2001 Honda Accord with the 3-liter VTEC in it, and I've changed the transmission in it, and in the process of changing the transmission, it started with the high idle surge that's common in Hondas, which I come to find out it's actually cutting the pulses to the injectors or fuel or something. But all things pointed to the idle air control, which is down in there and on the bottom. I take all that off to get to it. Well, when I took it off the first time to clean it, the gasket that sits right in here came apart. You know, the car's only 20 years old. I don't know why it would do that. But anyway, I went and bought another gasket and put it all back together with a clean IAC valve, clean what I could get in the throttle body. You know, there's dirt in here and dirt all, you know, down in here and this and that. I cleaned all that, put it back together. Same problem. I see it. Yeah, no good. So ordered another idle air control, and which I'd already ordered all these solenoids and whatnot for the transmission. I had a lot of money. I was like, I'll go with aftermarket. Got El Cheapo, put it on. Same problem. I said, this is terrible. So I went and ordered the high dollar OEM part. Said, this will fix it. That's what everybody told me, you gotta use original. So I said, okay. So I went and got that. Well, in the process of taking all this back apart, because you gotta pull that off to get to the bottom of it to get the screws out, I noticed that the bottom of the throttle body here looked like the gasket was pulled away from it. Now I got to studying it, and I've messed with a lot of gaskets, and gaskets have overhang. As you can see, there's a little bit of overhang on this one right here. But the biggest problem was this gasket, if you turn it all the way over and then flip it, you can put it right back on there. But you'll have this big piece of gasket sticking up off the top of it. And at the bottom, where you can't see it, it's letting the air pass by the idle air control. So if you're still having problems with your idle air and you've changed that gasket, check, make sure you got it on there the right way, because I did a dum-dum. Hope this helps.